Hey, what's up guys? It's Richie here with AutoLab Pro. Right now, this video is going to be about a 2006 Mercedes-Benz SL55 AMG with the 113.9 engine in it and a 722.6 transmission. This car has two batteries. That's what we're going to talk about. That be the car right there, getting a little work done. All right. Doing quite a bit of work to the car, but I just wanted to make a quick video just to let people know how to jump this car and where to jump this car. Okay. Again, this is a W230. This car has two batteries. The front battery is supposed to go right here. I took it out. I removed it because I'm doing some more stuff, but the front battery goes there. Okay, that's the passenger side of the motor. of the engine compartment. All right. Now, this happens to be the battery. Okay. That's your front battery in this SL55. This is the battery that you would jump start if you have to jump this car. Never, ever, ever jump the rear battery. That would be this battery. All right, and that's the size of the battery in the rear. This is your system's battery. All right, and that's pretty much it. You always want to. Oh, and if you have to replace those batteries, or you have to take them out for whatever reason, always install the starter battery first. Okay. Always install this one first and only jump the front one, which is the starter battery. And that's it. Richie here at AutoLab Pro. Quick video over the Mercedes-Benz SL55 AMG compressor. Again, if you jump in this car, you only want to jump in the front, never in the rear. And that's about it. Oh, and if you ever remove both batteries, you want to replace or connect the starter battery first, then connect the rear battery. All right? Stay safe. Stay on the road. Like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one. Thank you for tuning in. Take care.